comes from the Arabic word for permitted. Halal is commonly seen as halal food, which means food that is permitted under Islamic guidelines as found in the Quran. Halal also extends to the humane slaughter of animals.
But it looks really good though. This is the halal.
The introduction of the Brunei Halal brand offers the kind of backing you need to have total trust in your halal purchases. Any product that carries it will have undergone rigorous inspections and tests to ensure it complies with our exacting standards and also the Sharia law. Ultimately, the Brunei Halal brand is the strategic avenue in facing national issues on economic diversification, private sector market sizes, and also food security and production. Now let's do a SWOT analysis on the Brunei Halal brand industry. Let's start with S for strengths. The 5 identified strengths of the industry are: it is an opportunity for building a global standard of halal food for the Brunei halal industry. Prominence has been gained ever since it first started 1.5 years ago. The international profile of Brunei has also been raised as it has helped the nation in penetrating the global market. It can highly contribute to the national revenue other than oil and gas. And lastly, not to forget, it can attract foreign investors. For weakness, there are actually more or less prominent weaknesses, but perhaps the obvious and most resistant one would be the bureaucratic licensing system for starting a business, which always takes too long. On the opportunity side, Brunei Halal brand can be used in promoting investment and economic opportunities and discover other sectors, and also as a means of encouraging and strengthening human resources. Furthermore, it puts more light to trading partnerships with other countries. The last group of factors are known as threats. The first is there will always be persisting levels of product imitation by other competitors in the market. Also, there has been studies on what seems to be low consumer confidence as products were discovered to be manufactured in China. All in all, whatever the verdict might be, businesses always rely on a dominating factor: the consumers. Let's see the local responses on the development of the Brunei Halal industry.
Brunei Halal industry can help diversify the economy of Brunei, and then not being too dependent on the oil and gas industry.
I think the Brunei Halal sector should be developed, as it has a potential market, especially the Middle East countries. There were increasing demands of halal products, not just food, but also medicines, cosmetics, and other things. So, if by improving the halal products in Brunei, we could export it and thus reduce the dependency on oil sector.
I think Brunei Halal is a good opportunity for Brunei to diversify the economy, to be less dependent on oil and gas, for example. But it may not be a focus point for Brunei to invest fully in Brunei Halal, but it's a good opportunity for them to explore. As for example, there are increasing population in the world, and most of the population is Muslim, or other, for example, in other religion. Other religion is also quite dependent on Brunei Halal, on halal products due to its processes and the quality of the product. So I think Brunei should fully exploit the halal trade in order to improve the economy.
Not convinced? So whenever you see the Brunei Halal logo, support our local industry, help our nation in taking a big step in development.
This and this. I'd rather have the Brunei Halal one. Yeah. So you have the Halal as well? Okay. Yeah.